Hi students. So in stoichiometry we are going to discuss about ideometry topic MCQ questions. So first one is the sulfur dioxide obtained by the combustion of 8 grams of sulfur is passed into bromine water. So here they mentioned 8 grams of sulfur. The solution is then treated with barium chloride solution. The amount of barium sulfate is formed. So finally we are getting barium sulfate. So normally in barium sulfate, sulfur weight is 32 gram. So normally 32 gram means 1 mole. So 32 grams of sulfur forms a 1 mole. But here in this case they mentioned 8 grams of sulfur. So 32 grams forms 1 mole. Then what about 8 grams? So 1 by 32 into 8, 1 by 4, 0.25 mole, gram mole. So gram mole. So 0.25 is the answer. Option 4. Option 4 is the correct one. Next, second one. 0.7 moles of potassium sulfate is allowed to react with barium chloride. So here potassium sulfate with barium chloride. The number of moles of precipitated is. So what is the reaction? BaSO4 precipitate plus 2 KCl salt. Here we are discussing about barium sulfate precipitate only. So normally 1 mole of K2SO4 requires 1 mole of barium sulfate forms 1 mole of barium sulfate. So 1 mole of K2SO4 reacts with 1 mole of barium chloride to form a 1 mole of barium sulfate. Here they mentioned 0.7 mole. So 0.7 mole requires 0.7 moles of barium chloride and forms 0.7 moles of barium sulfate. Even though they mentioned 0.9 moles of barium chloride, so 0.9 minus 0.7 equal to 0.2 moles left remaining. That means even though we are taking 0.9 moles, out of 0.9 moles, 0.7 moles is reacted and 0.2 mole is left. Finally, we can get 0.7 moles of barium sulfate only. So option is 2. 0.7 moles of barium sulfate is formed. Next one. A gas mixture of 3 liters of propane and butane on complete combustion at 25 degrees Celsius produces 10 liters of CO2. Initial combustion of propane and butane in the gas mixture is. Here they mentioned propane and butane. So on combustion. So on combustion any substance forms CO2 plus H2O only. So but this mixture is there in a vessel, a gas mixture. So propane and butane. So this is butane, this is propane. Now here they mentioned already clearly 3 liters of propane. So here 3 liters is taken. Then consider 3 liters of propane is taken. They mentioned 3 liters of propane plus butane. So here what we should do is they mentioned 3 liters of propane plus butane. So mixture they give only mixture weight. This 3 liters is mixture volume. That mixture contains propane and butane. So then we can consider, let us consider volume of propane X. Then volume of butane is totally actually 3 liters. Then it will give 3 minus 6. Is it okay? 3 minus 6 liters. So consider it is liters. Now volume of CO2. Volume of CO2. Volume of CO2 formed. CO2 product formed. In both reactions, it is formed. So now we can consider, see this here, in this first case CO2 is found. How many moles? Here 3 carbons are there, so 3 into C definitely, so 3 into X moles. So in this case, so that means here we can write 3x. What about this? Here 3 minus x moles, but here how many carbons are there? 4. So 4 into 3 minus x. So we can add this one, 4 into 3 minus x. So but in question they mentioned 10 liters of CO2. So sum of the volumes of CO2 is equals to the 10. Now we can consider 3x plus 12 minus 4x equal to 10. So 12 minus x equal to 10. So x equal to 12 minus 10, 2. So x equal to 2. Then we can calculate the directly. So volume of propane equal to x, that means 2 liters. Similarly, volume of butane equal to 3 minus x. So 3 minus 2, 1 liter. So this is the volume. So consider the students, totally total volume is 3 liters. Out of that propane is 2 liters. So percentage will be, so propane percentage. So they mentioned the percentage composition. So percentage composition of a propane is 2 by 3 into 100. Percentage means into 100. So 66.66%. Similarly, percentage of butane 1 by 3 into 100, 33.33%. So answer is 1. Option 1 is the correct one. Thank you, students.